What is going on? What has happened to the price of the Air Jordan 4 Black Canvas? The Air Jordan 4 Black Canvas released back a few months ago in October. Resale was around $280 to $300, and in my opinion, I gave you guys the advice, in my opinion, to buy them up. I did expect prices to go up on the Air Jordan 4 Black Canvas, and we are now in January, just a few months later, and prices have already gone up. The Air Jordan 4 Black Canvas is reselling anywhere from $340 all the way up to like $380 depending on size. They were at around $280 to $300 depending on size. Market has gone up. The Air Jordan 4 Black Canvas wound up being a very good short-term hold. Why did the Black Canvas 4 go up? Why were these a good hold? I think it has to do with the colorway, the color blocking. These look very similar to the M&M Air Jordan 4, which is a crazy expensive sneaker that goes for a ton of money that nobody can get their hands on. The fact that this is also a black Air Jordan 4 really does help it because of the Black Cats being, what, $800, $900, $1,000 sneaker. Wearability. These are very wearable, extremely wearable. They match with basically everything. The all black, little bit of gray, the white midsole to make it pop and stand out. It's a really good executed sneaker. So these are some of the factors why I believe the Black Canvas 4 went up and went up so quickly. These are very, very nice in hand. The canvas is thick. It's not a cheap, crappy material, and people are wearing the Black Canvas 4s. The Jordan 4 has become the new Air Jordan 1 in terms of hype, and that's definitely showing with a lot of recent Air Jordan 4s going up in price and rather quickly, just like the Black Canvas Air Jordan 4 has done. Will they continue to go up? Possibly. They could touch $400. I think it'll take some more time, but we already saw a nice price increase on the Black Canvas 4, and these wind up being a very good short-term hold. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys wind up holding the Black Canvas 4s, and if you did, how many pairs did you hold, how many pairs did you buy, and how much profit are you expecting to make now that market has gone up on the Air Jordan 4 Black Canvas. As you guys can see, I definitely have some pairs. I paid a really good price. This is 39 pairs right here. I also have some military blacks and some more pairs on the way. If you guys can get this video up to 600 likes, I'll definitely give away a pair of Black Canvas 4s, so make sure you guys smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you enter the free giveaway for a pair of Lost and Found Jordan 1s in your size. All you guys need to do is like this video, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know your size in the Lost and Found Jordan 1. Follow me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Follow Sneaker Ease on Instagram, his link is down below in the description, and then DM me proof, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys did everything. Good luck on a free pair of Lost and Founds. This giveaway ends at the end of January. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in, and please make sure you guys subscribe for free sneaker giveaways. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.